In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your account efficiently and make sure you've taken all the necessary steps to preserve your data if needed. First and foremost, ensure you're signed in as the account owner. This is crucial because only an owner has the authority to cancel the account. If you're not the owner, you'll need to either obtain access from the owner or have them perform this process themselves. Now, before moving forward with the cancellation, it's important to decide if you want to keep a backup of your data. Once the account is canceled, all of your data will be permanently deleted. If you believe there's any chance you might need to access your data in the future, take a moment to export and save it safely on your computer or an external storage device. Once you have either secured your data or decided that you no longer need it, navigate your way to the admin land section of your account. To get there, look for your avatar or account name, which is usually displayed at the top of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you should find an option for Admin Land. Click on it, and you'll be directed to that specific section of your account settings. In Admin Land, you'll need to scroll down until you spot the section labeled as Owner Actions or something similar. This is where all the specific owner functionalities are located. Among these options, look out for the one that says Cancel Your Account. Selecting this option is what will initiate the cancellation process. After choosing to cancel, you'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision. This is an important step because the cancellation is immediate, which means you won't be charged any further, but also you won't be able to access the account anymore. Double-check that you're ready for this, and once you're sure, proceed with the confirmation. Finally, it's worth noting that even though the account is canceled immediately, your data won't be deleted right away. Instead, it remains in the system for 30 days before being permanently erased. This 30-day window might be your last chance to retrieve any information or finalize your data backup. Remember, after this period, all data associated with the account will be irretrievably gone. So there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide to canceling your account while ensuring all your bases are covered. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below.